Good afternoon, Thomas here, coming to you from MarineMax at Palm Beach here at PGA Marina. I just wanted to take a quick minute to walk you through our all-new 330 Outrage by Boston Whaler. As you can see, this is a boat that combines many different things. Loves to fish, loves to cruise, does both of them very well. We start up in the front with our full wraparound bow seating. Okay, take a quick turn around here and we see a massive sun pad. Okay, not only is it just a sun pad, but it is also a very large storage compartment for anything fishing, diving, water toys, or anything else that you may need. As you walk around the side of the boat here, you can see an oversized head on this boat, complete with rod lockers, a toilet, and a sink. You come around to the head is very large, big enough for 2 and or 3 people sitting. We have plenty of real estate for all of our electronics, also a joystick operation. Massive hardtop on this boat, plus tower access for the optional tower that you can get on this boat. Okay, we also have full mezzanine seating plus a full-size transom seat on this boat. Again, a boat built and designed to do anything and everything water that you want to do, also with a wonderful side entry door. If you'd love to see more about this boat, come on down to PGA Marina and see us today.